It's super soft. Yeah. You.
Okay, and then the second guy, he went over first and over the second one.
Well, he's definitely not going for it on the first lap because he's. Yeah, Stefan! Woo! Yeah, bro. I'll send you this little video.
Quicker, we could have.
There, I got a little bit of video for him.
Oh.
Yeah. But I think we should go hit it first. We won't be first though. Oh, it's been hit though. There it goes, Bruce. There goes Mike short skis. A lot of snow in here. Holy. Wow. Oh. Oh, it looks awesome. Look at all the snow in here, Mike. Oh, which way do I go? Woo! Wow. Woo! Oh, that was good. Woo! Oh, now it's getting crunchy. Oh! Yeah, yeah. Woo! Oh, the wind! The wind effect! Phew! Oh, they bombed it! Oh, it's crud! Oh! Oh, it looks like we got beat. Ew! Oh, it's nice. Woo! That's really nice. It's really nice. It's so soft in here, Bruce. Yeah. Woo! Turn it, baby, turn it. Mike, turn it right in front of me here. It's really soft. It's super soft. Yeah. You. Yeah! Woo! Oh! Wow! How was that? Dude, how fun was that? So soft. That was like, dude, that snow was so good. That's why I was, oh, what a day. It is sunny out here. It's beautiful out here. That's all they got, Bruce. Whoa. Whew. It's kind of shitty. Woo. Oh, look at that. All right, that sun has killed it. Wow. Oh. Woo. Oh, look at that. Holy crap. Wow, the sun mangled that stuff. All right, well, that wasn't pretty. Yeah, Bruce. You. Nice.
Oh, you did it.
Oh, it's so heavy. Woo! Oh, great. South facing is out.